what you had is an injury that rattled you for a bit. Tell us about that.
So I was crossing the street across my house in Delhi, in Trinagar again, where we have the stage where I used to dance. And I was getting Mukti from the nursery school. And I was so excited to show her something. I started running, and a bike ran over my leg. And my leg was broken, my back was broken. So badly that the doctors told my parents कि ये कभी walk नहीं कर पाएगी.
And how old were you this
I
time?
was 4 years old.
Wow.
It broke like brutally. I have marks all over my legs, my hands.
And you have
everything.
vivid memories of this.
Yeah. I remember it very clearly. All I remembered was that I have to show Mukti this. Mukti was 2 years old. And I'm like, I have to show her. And then I ran. Of course, the bike ran over me. My leg was gone. I could not even sit up for 7 months.
Hmm.
So it was quite a strange story. And my mom now says, ki, of course, doctors were right that you were not supposed to walk because you were supposed to fly. Full filmy family.
And how long did it take to start dancing again in front of that mirror with the bed in Trinagar?
I think till 6-7 months I could not even sit up.
बस उसके बाद ठीक हो गए.
Then I slowly started to walk. My mom was there like
Never
a rock
gave up.
with me. Yeah, I think mothers have this power where they just don't give up. And yeah, she made me.
Is there a life lesson there? Did you learn something that has made you even better at what you do because of it? Where does it show up? Because these scars come out in different ways.
Like, it just gave me the powers to, fly because I would know. I was so little, I didn't even know what has happened to me. I was very happy that I don't have to go to school. And then I was just happy कि मुझे school नहीं जाना, and everyone comes, visits me and gives me chocolates. So I was happy about that.
And the scars that you had, did you ever get bullied because of them, teased about them? Children are so unsparing.
Yeah.
How did you deal with that?
I had some people say, ki, this car is so this, like, who's gonna marry you? I didn't care. I didn't even think about it. So then my parents used to think, because there are too many people having conservative thoughts ki inki to shadi karani hai. Like, that's the product you are preparing to marry them off. So then my mom used to plastic surgery kara denge. I'm like, okay, whatever. Like,
You
I
never thought of it,
No,
no?
no.
You own your scars.
Yeah, I love it.
And when you danced at Dance India Dance and became that winner, how were the scars treated there? By
Nobody.
people behind? Nobody noticed.
Nobody
it.
noticed.
See,
Nobody
that's
said
the
a thing.
reality we in our heads.
Yeah. Nobody said anything, and it just empowers me. It makes me feel like this is my strength.
How incredible is that? So you wanted to be an IS officer. You wanted to teach them how to dance, make them dance to your tune, or make money. Which one? Aajkal there's a very seedy line to IS.
So, how do I say this? It's very complex. I feel very responsible.
It shows in your life story.
And it just, I don't know, when I was choosing the path to become an IAS officer, because I was good at studies, I topped Mumbai University. And when I was in Delhi University, I was in Miranda House.
My mother went there
Oh,
so
wow.
many years ago.
Okay.
It's the best school now, na? Delhi, they say?
Yeah.
College.
Girls' college.
Yeah.
So वहाँ पे भी मेरे बहुत अच्छे scores थे and everything. So everyone just assumed now like this is her path. She's like the topper types. But in my heart, I knew that I wanted to dance, but I didn't know how to go about it because दूर दूर तक खानदान में कोई भी इस field में नहीं गया था. Then I sat down with my dad. He's like, you choose. He made me sit down. उन्होंने मुझे paper पे लिखा, you write pros and cons. I'm like, Papa, just tell me, I will do it. I will succeed. In whatever you tell me, I will put in my 100%. He's like, no. Tomorrow, if you don't succeed, you will turn around and say, Papa ne bola tha, see this happen. Now you have to make your choice and live with it.
What an incredible story of a father.
Yeah.
How long ago did you get to Bombay?
15, 16 years back.
And has it been easy, the journey, living here, being alone here, cutting through a whole red tape of this industry?
Actually, I don't feel like I'm in the industry or not, I don't know. Because we all my sisters, we all stood in reality show ki line and then we auditioned.
And did you live together?
We lived together. Like, it was just 2 years back I started living by myself. So we all lived together in a, like, pura ghar mein dhamal. So we all applied through reality show ke jo hazaron ki line lagti hai, and then we auditioned. So never really made it through like you do whatever you want to do. लोगों को लगता है कि आप ये करोगे तभी आपका कुछ होगा. Like, just work hard and be true to yourself and don't be in a rush to get anywhere. कि मुझे कि अब चाहिए ही overnight success. You just keep doing your thing and be happy with yourself.